It is Sunday, September 18th, 2000 a.m. Central Daylight Time. I want to show you what looks like an explosion of HAARP rings, as well as there's a whole section of the country that looks like after a rain, like raindrops on a on a puddle. There's so many of them. Here in California, you can see there's 1, 2, 3. Utah, there's one here. Arizona, you can just barely see this one. Colorado's got quite a few. 1, 2, 3. I think that one's in Kansas. New Mexico, 1, 2, 3, 4. Montana, 1, 2. There's one in Idaho. And then, about 2:13, it looks like there's an explosion of them that carry on down. This is Rapid City right here. It kind of starts there and heads to the southwest. It's following this system that seems to slowly be moving through. And we also have some here in Tennessee, up by Nashville, Kentucky, up by Louisville. Oh, even over here in New York. A couple of them in New York. Very interesting. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention. There's also something going on here in South Dakota that I'm kind of looking at. I haven't quite figured out what's happening yet. Well, let me show it to you here. Let's see. Yeah, it barely shows. It's right here. This is the infrared satellite at College of DuPage. And this is at 6:45. If I go backwards, and that's UTC time. So there's an explosion that kind of happens here too. And you can see that there really isn't any cloud cover over the part of the country that's got all those HAARP rings. Oh, we start at the beginning of the loop. But it's right after this line here, it looks like that everything lights up. Right in through here. Actually, you can see little circle things right here in the clouds. Well, infrared. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see. Going backwards, forwards. Interesting. I'll show you a closer up of here's South Dakota. Right here, see these little holes right there, there, and there? That's at 4 o'clock UTC time. And then if you go ahead, 4:30, 5, 5:30, 6:15, see they explode right here. 6:31, 6:45. Actually, if I go back to the holes, here's where they're coming. Here they're right here. I'm going to block several frames, and then if you watch right here, you'll see it just blossoms up right from those holes. See? Backwards, forwards. For some reason, when I go look at the water vapor of that same system, it's playing through here too fast. Let me slow it down. You'll see that it jumps. There's some of the frames that are missing. like that. So if I go backwards, it goes from, this is water vapor, goes from, there's 331, 345, and it jumps to 615. So all the other frames are missing, including the 4 o'clock one where we saw those holes. So here's 345, and that's 615. So these two things just blossom up seemingly out of nowhere. And I don't know what this crisscross stuff is. In the past, those have been chemtrails when they start crossing like that. This is that long, skinny system that we were seeing. There it is. So anyway, have a good rest of the night, and God bless you.